come out late. You try to stay in your goal and done. And come out late. So come out late and you get mashed up. But you just score either way, take it. You don't stay in your goal or you come out. You just score either way. Me say drop, walk on that man. Walk on that man. Me say drop bro. Yeah man, respect.
Every day of the week, the army do this?
Nope. No.
Assigned days or just
Certain days. Certain days.
Harry!
Nah do that.
Sorry, man.
Make you win back that. We got turn back I go back so. Good call, ref. Bring it, youth, bring it. I try that. After we let you go in and come out and have a set here and board that. I try back. Eh? How you am doing so fine so far, you know? Bring the ball. Where you come back for? No, man, I do that. You take the ball and bring it. See that? You can bring it that to down. But midfield, well done. Eh? You know what I say, you know how to do? Feel I'm drink orange juice though. Why? Let's take one goal, sir. Yes, sir. You look like a one goal to me. The 16 way. Go to the next one, go jog. And sweat you out. I go play some football. You see, sweat you out, man. There are so many ways they can sweat you out, you know. That's an assessor, man. Set him set time. And shoes so high. I'm not fall that. I'm not fall that. I'm not fall. They could never big someone boy who got me easy off a ball, so. Mad. You can't use him body. What's me glad give man the ball now? It's not help, it's not help, sir. Yeah man, it's not help, man.
Okay, nice.
Keeper crack in first match. Keeper, you look nervous and shabby. I didn't expect that. It was one bag and then a poor pass. I didn't expect that. You don't walk the whole line. When you don't walk the whole line, the same done. Come next side, well done teacher. Same side, well done man. Mid-air. Keep a long bro, put the ball again now. Tell us, I'm first match now. You can hold the ball too. that? Man, man enjoy themselves, coach. Let man them, man. Man, man enjoy themselves. A good goal, lad. A good goal, lad. Man, man enjoy themselves, brother. See shot there now, coach. The dog said, no shot, no shot. You get the shot there. Keeper they frustrated like right now. I tell you that. Him frustrated.
Like, I'm not going to see him score of the
How about that, ref? Can whistle that? Oh, oh. We have sense. Who do? Who do? Why keeper? They're going to put on back in the bathroom there. Bathroom. You think that's not one
No. Over San Michael.
Oh, you forgot, you know. Wilma's on Michael.
Yeah. It's San Michael for the use.
Oh.
Well, overfield. It has little grass, but you say it's too much at times. So you look grass it out. I'm saying football to more than your match. So we actually go try it. I'm not playing them, but I'm just not never like play like train, just bomb and then you know cross, going on to shoot, and big commissions and shoot. No. It's not training, not the same. I'm going to pass that way. No, you know some grand pass. Just kill shoot. What's good to do? No, but me, I'm trying to different with that. No, just football from number 6. It's good enough. That's what I want. I want to do it free. In my delivery, go to the middle. And if you just cheap for the whole amount of you send the striker, midfielder, defender. And I skin is a replay so. And then we look very good, isn't it? With So we saw one or two goals. One to this is a lunchtime, so the last 15 minutes lunchtime. All I missed here is drop back. In the ball come on, it was positive, but the difference was at the same time. It was the whole like this. It didn't want to end up losing. Outside draw was the same thing. No matter the sacrifice, one or two. Pretty much it. That means a 40 minutes.
No, I know when he's up there, the young guy is up there. No, if you have a curve. When we see on my team, there's something, and we start probably like a street. We the way that we do One time, we talk 2, 3, 4 times. All these frameworks, these cameras, them even saw 435, they might have by 5 o'clock. I use it.
What one? You catch a goal? No,
you catch it, man, so you send it down now. Proper captain goal. So you record the first game too?
Every chance we get.
No, hold down.
Why what time is it? I'm
440, 450 them time.